The idea of the success cycle is actually a very fascinating and powerful tool. So the way that it works is it all starts with action. And anything that we do in life, especially in our health and fitness journey, you gotta create an action. When it comes to something like fitness, especially with a proper game plan, is you wanna make sure that you have that proper game plan. Once you have it and you back it up with a sufficient amount of action, you're gonna get a result. As soon as you get that result and you see the change, it's gonna change the way that you think about it, which is your belief. So action, results, and belief. And once you change your belief, it's actually one of the most powerful things in your life. And the cool thing about this is, let's say you drop 10, 15 pounds in a few weeks and you drop a few inches, like your brain lights up, and it basically, once it changes the way it believes, like, wow, this is working, what do you think you do? You back it up with more action, and once you get the result, you're actually gonna change the way you believe about something. And so this is one of the most powerful tools, and what we get to do here is changing a certain action in your day-to-day routine, which getting a different outcome, which is a result. And once you get that result, essentially change your life.